Hey, my name is Ashley Marie and I will be doing an unboxing. This is my very first YouTube. Ah, I am, I can't describe how nervous I am. I'm pretty nervous. If you hear a noise in the background, that is my little Siamese cat, Suni Olivia. I am a beauty box addict. I subscribe to several beauty boxes like Ipsy, Birchbox, Sephora Play, Allure, Glossy Box, BoxyCharm, the pluses and the luxes and the... I, I have a problem. I have a problem. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to be unboxing Single Swag. While I'm not single, I do subscribe to their beauty box because it's so cool. I've subscribed to them the last few months. What is it? And so far, I've been satisfied. They kind of mix it up. They go with the the beauty, the makeup, to the skincare, and the sometimes lifestyle and wellness. Sometimes you'll get a good book. Single Swag is a monthly subscription. I pay $39.99 a month, and it is probably one of the first boxes I receive per month, before all of my other subscription boxes. So they're really good with getting it out, getting it pushed out, getting it shipped early, which I enjoy, because as soon as the new month starts, I'm like, okay, I'm expecting my new boxes with, and then, so yeah, it's always nice to get that pretty early. Definitely one of my favorite subscriptions, and I don't see myself canceling anytime soon. So yeah, good job, Single Swag. Here's the box. It comes in a box like this, just a plain cardboard box. Alrighty. Love yourself. So when you open it, it looks like that. We have our card. I'm not gonna give off any information just yet, but Single Swag, win your next box. Post a photo of your box on Instagram or Facebook and tag at Single Swag. We pick a winner each month. That's all it says. Okay. Hyaline cream-filled wafers, dark chocolate. This is a really cute little bottle, and it is something that, or jar rather, and it is something that I have never received before. Next thing we have is Manna Kadar. Like your favorite seaside spa, Sea Minerals Renewing Body Butter and Dead Sea Minerals creates a layer of moisture for the driest of skin, leaving you as smooth as the seven seas. So it's a body butter. Let's give it a whiff. Let's see. Oh, was not expecting that. Oh gosh, that doesn't help at all. Okay, I am just destroying this. I mean, wow. I am just destroying this. Oh my goodness. Oh, that smells so good. I love it. Well, let's give it a try on the skin. It's a very nice consistency. It's creamy and soft. Very creamy. Oh, it's really nice. Gosh, that smells so good. It's just like a fresh smell. Kind of a fresh, beachy kind of smell. I was expecting like a coconut smell for some reason, but no, not the case. So, let's move along. Headbands of Hope. Headbands of Hope. I read the same thing twice. It said it again below it. Your purchase creates hashtag moments like this. I tried to do something different with my necklace because it was way too long, and I double looped it, and the result is this right here. But then I thought, maybe I can get away with it. You know, I like the fact that this little part hangs. Okay, little headband. Little pretty little blue floral print on there. Thick and stretchy. I do like it though. It's pretty. I'm sure I'll do something with it, maybe wear it to work or, you know, a nice casual day. It doesn't take too much to please me. I like little things like this. It doesn't have to be extravagant. Next we have, ooh, a necklace from Etika. And it comes in a little cotton little bag. The little drawstring, pretty cute. Does look handmade, so that's always nice. Oh, it's so pretty. I like it. I almost don't want to take it out. You know, I'm just gonna show it to you. I don't wanna take it out, but that's really gorgeous. That's really gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, look at the little danglies. So we designed jewelry to help women look and feel their best, because we know a woman's best accessory is her confidence. Here's 20 off your next purchase of $50 or more. Use code ETIKASWAG. So here you guys go if you want to. If I can't get it straight, there we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, that's my cat again. Sorry. I'm sorry. She's I don't know if you know about Siamese cats, but they're very vocal. They talk a lot. They speak their minds, okay? Oh, I thought that was it because it looks like that. I'm like, oh, okay. But nope, there's more. Oh, now I see they have a lot of these in subscription boxes, but I don't own one. So this is exciting to me. This is exciting. Velvet Luxurious Facial Jade Crystal Roller. Remove toxins, drains lymph nodes, soothes skin, depuffs skin, boosts collagen, helps with dark circles, reduces inflammation, rolls out wrinkles, tones facial muscles, relieves sinus pressure, relieves stress and tension, stimulates blood flow and circulation, can help with breakouts along the jawline, stimulates acupuncture and reflex points. A lot of other stuff on the back that I'm not going to bore you with. I know it looks like I'm looking down a lot, but I have it mirroring on my MacBook, and I have to remind myself not to look there, to look at the camera. So again, my first video, and my MacBook went to sleep. There we go. Ah, pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh. Oh. Oh, that feels really good. Oh. Ew. If I was a cat, I'd be purring. Oh, I like the way that feels. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. This is really nice. I love the green color with the green and the gold brass looking color. Yes, that's nice. Next we have, it is Molly Jacob Deep Moisturizing Lipstick. Oops, sorry guys. Alright, in the shade Rosy Brown. Oh, it's cruelty free, petrochemical free, infused with jojoba seed oil, paraben free, fragrance free, natural ingredients. That is always a plus in my book. I'm sure a lot of our books, right? Who doesn't love natural, right? You know, I just ripped it. It was Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm just a sucker for details like that. Wow, that's beautiful. The signature on the nice. Oh my. Let's do a swatch. Oh, that's really creamy. Oh, I like it. Somebody asked me once if I have hearts on my teeth. I'm like, nope, they're braces. That's swatched really well. I'm very satisfied with this lip. I love a good natural kind of peachy nude kind of color, pinky peachy nude. Very satisfied. Very, very satisfied with this. And last but not least, oh, a Daily Concepts multifunctional soap sponge charcoal. Soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. And mild. I'm like off center with everything. Achieve a deep and detoxifying clean with this soap and charcoal infused sponge. Directions: simply apply. Simply wet and lather. Cleanse skin in circular motions. You want to see what it is? Let's just see. Why not? I'm curious like that. So I really enjoy Single Swag. They always send me some cool stuff that I don't typically get in other boxes. I did just subscribe to COSBox for the first time, and I'm really excited to see what that's about. Oh, it smells very earthy. Oh wow, yeah. So that side is charcoal. Oh goodness, I can't figure out this direction I'm doing. And this is a sponge. Okay. Very cool. I love that earthy woodsy kind of smell. That's just I like it. It reminds me of growing up. My mom, she was really into that. She was kind of like I don't want to say that. It just reminds me of home growing up. So that is all I have for Single Swag. And so the Velvet Cosmetics by Zoe Alia Facial Jade Roller is $65. The Molly Jacob Deep Moisturizing Lipstick is $22. The Purolene Dark Chocolate Cream Filled Wafers are $5. The Etika That New Feeling Layered Necklace, $75. Who would have thought? Not me. The Manna Kadar Beauty Sea Minerals Renewing Body Butter, $24. The Handbag of Hope Handbag of Hope Gray Floral Knotted Headband, $18. And the Daily Concepts Multifunctional Soap Sponge Charcoal, $10. A whopping retail value of $219. I love how they just put that on there and not have us, calculate. Okay, if I get my finger off of it. Yes, $219. And I paid $39.99. And that's all we have for today. I really thank you guys for getting this far and taking the time out of your day to watch this, and I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, bear with me, my very first video. Please feel free to leave feedback, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing, and do expect more unboxings as I do subscribe to plenty other boxes. So there will be more coming and there will be more videos. So that's all I got. Peace and love.